We have the following questions. Use a change of variable to find the following indefinite integrals. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the solution to this question. Okay, question one. We have that. Okay, what we are going to do there is to spot the expression that looks complex. And in most cases, we go for the one that has a power. So we go for the base of that power. So let what? Number one, let u be equal to what? S squared minus 1. So du is equal to what? 2x dx. And you can, now I've told us many times, the moment you spot your u, then you differentiate it, it's going to have a kind of similarity with the surrounding function. Okay, so the question now, this one, that'll be u to the power 99, and 2x dx is what? Is the u. So, and that will be equal to u to 99 plus 1, that's 100 over what? Over 100 plus c. Return the u back, and that will be equal to what? 1 over 100. I use what? S squared minus 1 to the power 100 plus c. That ends that question. The second question, we're going to substitute for this power. Okay, let's u be equal to this. So the u is equal to 2x dx. I want to retain this to make it the subject so that we can have exactly the surrounding function. So that will be du over 2 equal to x dx. Okay, so our question will now become integral of e to the power u and then du over 2. We can take these two outside, and that will be 1 over 2 to bracket e to the power u du. And that will give us 1 over 2. When you integrate e function, it's going to give you back the e function. Okay, the u is what? The u is x squared. Okay, plus what? Plus c. So that's that on the second question. The third one, let's u be equal to 1 minus this. Okay, then find your du dx. That will be equal to minus 12x squared dx. And don't forget, I'm having something similar. I'm having s squared dx. I can make it to be in form of 6 times 2. That will give me my 12 s squared dx du. Remove this minus 6 here. So that will be du over minus 6 equal to what? Equal to 2 x squared dx. Okay, we have now this one is minus du over 6 over square root of what? Square root of u. Okay, this minus can go outside, and this 6, and that will be minus 1 over 6 outside the integral, and then this radical, you can remove it. That's u to the power minus half, and then the u. We've taken this one outside, okay, with the minus. Then this one has gone up, and that's why we have the minus half. Okay, so that's that. Do your integration. So that will be minus 1 over 6. This one plus 1, that's a u half over what? Over half. So that will be what? That will be times 2 here, plus what? Plus c. So, and that's giving me minus 1 over 3 u half plus c. Can you return your u back? And that's that for that question. For number 4, we will go for the one that has power. So let's u be equal to this one. Find your du. This will be equal to what? This is half x to the power minus half dx. If you differentiate this one, okay, that's the same thing as what? X to the power half. The power will go to the front, and then the power minus 1. So, and this is the same thing as 1 over 2 times this one dx. So we now have this one is u to the power 4, and the x over this is equal to what? Is equal to du. This expression is our what? Is our du. So this one over this one is what? Is du. This one is the du. Integrate this, that will be u5, the power plus 1 over 5 plus c. Just return your u back. So the last part, question 5, as we have been doing, you substitute for the one that is complex, the one that has the power. So let u be equal to x squared plus what? Plus this. So the u is equal to what? 2x plus 1. And then you put your dx. Okay, it's an expression. That's why I have to introduce open and close the brackets. Okay, then the question will now become, this one is u, so that's u to the power 10, and then this one is what? Du. So integrate that, that will be u, 10 plus 1, that's 11 over 11 plus c. Finally, return the u back. What is the value of u? So that's this plus this to power 11 to power 11 by 11 plus c. And that's that on these aspects. Actually, this call for practice. The more you practice, the better you become. Practice makes perfection. The more you practice, the better you become. Okay. At this point, please, there's a watermark on this video. Click on it and subscribe. Don't stop there. Click on like button. Okay, that's one of the ways to advance to support this channel. Okay, and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.